Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create math equations in Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a built-in equation editor. However, you can still add mathematical expressions using special tools. One popular method is using the MathType add-on or websites like the Codecogs Equation Editor. To begin, open a blank Google form. Click on the three dots menu, then click on Add-ons. Search for MathType. Install the MathType add-on. As you can see, I have already installed it. After installation, click on the puzzle icon and select MathType Create. Click on Full Editor. In this interface, you can create different math equations. You also have access to various mathematical symbols. For this example, I will create a simple equation. After adding your equation, click on Create Link. The link will be copied. Click Close. In the form question, select it and click on Add Image. Choose by URL and paste the copied link. Click Insert Image. You have now successfully created a math equation in Google Forms. This method allows you to include fractions, exponents, integrals, and other complex symbols. It is especially useful for quizzes, tests, and surveys that require precise math notation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.